minivan, Astro van. That's where you're supposed to drop it the engine, drop it all the frame. It's a little bit hard working. It take about 5 or 6 hours to do this job. That's what you do. Replace the engine harness. The harness is going all the way hang out right there. You have to replace. You have to remove it. That's the master cylinder. You disconnect the lines. That's where the Action Service Center. Omar, technician. So if you have any problems like that, just comment and you look good, see what's going on. How much tell you how to replace the engines. Any questions, you can leave a comments. This is Astro minivans. It's with the Safari, it goes Safari. We do crazy stuff over here. That's the old engine right here. We're gonna take it off. We're gonna start the used engine in this Chevy Astro van. The only I can tell you how to take it this line, because that's the ABS unit right here. That line is go all the way to the back. That's only how to disconnect it, and that's it. Easy job. Hey, 5 hours. Okay. That's the harness. That's the engine harness. All ready.